day 2. I'm sorry, I didn't mean for you to burn. I'm sorry. This pain hurts so bad. I'm about to take a Tylenol because it's not time to take Oxy yet. This pain hurts so bad. I keep telling myself it'll get better. It'll get better. It's just day 2. Still got a long way to go. I just feel nauseated still too. And the pain. I'm tired of taking damn pills. All these pills I gotta take. I've been up since 4. I can't sleep. I done got up, walked around. Because the pain is so intense. I called my doctor to see could I take a Tylenol in between the Oxy. And they said I could. I just took a Tylenol. This pain. Day 2 pain. This pain is coming and going. It hurts. That's how I got it up. About to take a nap. They say I gotta keep this on for 72 hours, just in case I gotta go back to the hospital. I'm about to go back to sleep. And then I'll wake up and do my exercise. Took some coffee. Try to make me poop. Still haven't pooped yet this day. I didn't poop yesterday, so I gotta poop today. So I made me some coffee so I could poop. And I got me some prunes. About to make me some prune juice and apple juice so I can drink it because I don't want to go 2 days without pooping. Coffee normally makes me poop. This pain. Ooh. This pain be paining. I need to do my exercise, but I want to go to sleep right now. I'm going to go to sleep for about a half hour. Get up, wash up, then do my exercise. It'll be time to take my oxycodone then. Then I can do my therapy sessions. Good night. I'll update you later on. I'm just laying down right now. I'm gonna get ready to do my exercise in a moment. I done walked up and down the hallway a couple times. Not because I wanted to, because I forgot stuff. Like, I feel nauseated, so I gotta have this next to me. Getting ready to do my exercises. My physical therapy exercises. Gotta do a total of 6 per day. 3 from my doctor and 3 from my physical therapy. Or I might just do 5, I don't know. But I'm just so tired. Like, this morning I got up and sat on the patio with my husband and the dog. And then I went back down and now he wants to go outside. But I'm not letting him outside because I don't feel like moving. And he don't have to use the bathroom because my husband just let him out before he left. So I'm so tired. So I want to take y'all on this journey. Today is day 2 of recovery. And I'm just so tired. I'm okay. until I start moving around. Once I start moving around, I get so sleepy. I get nauseated again. I'm not taking you outside, so stop ringing the damn bell. You just came from out there. I'm not getting up. You gonna be in your kennel all day. Keep messing with me. Right now, I'm just laying on the bed. Not the bed, but the table, the massage table. My left leg is propping up my right leg. My right leg is the one I had surgery on. I just had to lay here for a moment because I'm so nauseated. I want to go to sleep so bad, but I got to do my exercise. I ain't did my exercise all day, and it's 12 something. I try to do it every 3 hours. I got a total of 6. So if I start at 8, I haven't done the math yet to see how long it's going to take me to do anything. Okay. I'm going to record myself when I do my exercise. Probably once. I'm going to record the physical therapy one, and then I'm going to record my doctor's one so y'all can see the difference between the two. So, okay. I'm going to just lay here for a moment. Have any questions, just drop them in the comment. Today is day 2. The nerve block is gone. So I started doing oxycodone, and then 3 hours after that, I do Tylenol. So yeah. Okay, bye-bye. This book is a game changer for recovery. Do you know anybody, or are you having a knee replacement? You need to purchase this book. It helped me mentally and physically get through the hardest weeks of this recovery.